have our board ready to go. We plugged in our LED tri-LED. Let's check out and make sure everything is actually working. So when you open up your BirdBrain robot server and the icon looks something like this will pop up. And hopefully it'll show Hummingbird Duo connected. If it does not show that, that means you either don't have the power plugged in or you haven't plugged in your USB on the side. So for example, when I unplug my board, unplug the USB, you can see how this Hummingbird, it says not connected. But when I go and plug it back in, then it's going to change to connected. From here, and you have to follow it just like this, you're going to hit Open Scratch. So Open Scratch pops up, and here is Scratch. Now, I've added a little bit of code already, and that is something you are going to need to do. So this will give us a chance, by the way, to test to make sure everything is working. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to go up here to Events. In Events, you'll see when space key is pressed, and you'll want to change that so it shows right arrow and left arrow. So, for example here, left arrow and right arrow. So you'll need two of those so that you have what I have here. Then let's go down to more blocks, and you'll drag over HB tri-LED right here, and you'll hook it up just like I have too. Then this should say 1, this should say 0, this should say 100, and this should say 0. And you're going to do it again, and you're going to have this say 1, this say 200, this say 0, and 0. By the way, the R stands for red, G for green, and B for blue. So as you change these numbers, one of them becomes more intense. So a combination of red and green makes a color, a combination of green and blue makes a color, etc. Now, let's make sure that it works. So here I have my tri-LED, and I'm going to hit the right arrow, and it should turn a certain color, and I'm going to hit the left arrow, and it'll turn yet another color. See how it's changing colors there, back and forth? Pretty neat. If you want to try something fun, you can change these colors actually here. Maybe I'll add some blue, so I'll add 432 for blue, and then when I hit the left arrow, ooh, it's like kind of a purple color. Isn't that nice? So it's a fun way to explore different colors. All right, ready? Give it a try. Go.